Okay, console application. Programming C Sharp console application. So what is console application? It is just something that looks like DOS, which is also a DOS actually. Um, so if you look at here, I have some variable. It's called my age and which number type is int. I have variable my string, which data type is string or variable type. And I'm just trying to assign a variable and trying to assign a number or data for that variable. So int my age has a number variable that is 24, and my string has a string is just a character, not a character but a sentence, anything that you write my age is, so this is the string, or my name is, this is my first C# programming, anything. So this would be my age. Now I'm assigning a variable int this data type, which is, you can see, a 32-bit signed integer. So if you string class system string represent text as a series of Unicode characters, so it's just a series of text, and I will use this variable here. My age equals 24. My string is equals to my age is. And the console.writeLine is something is in C# that is used to just display the name, display the screen. So this is called here. This is a little new. This is different concept than variables. This is called a placeholder. So 0 will hold anything that is assigned here, and 1 will hold this variable. So when you assign variable to these zeros and 1, it's always start from 0, 1. If you have the third one, let's say if you have a third one named int my phone or something, anything, so this will be 0, 1 and 2. It's always start with 0. Order doesn't matter in what order you put it. You can either put 1 or 0, and unless you define here what does that mean. So when you put 0 and 1, 0 is my string, this one, and 1 is my age. It could be either way. And it will let me debug this. Debug is something that you're just running your program. So my age is 24. So 0, that means my age, 1 is my string. So but it says my age is 24. So but it should be, if you look at here and here, if 0 is 24 my age, then it should be 24 my age is. But it doesn't matter. You can put, let's say I put my age, and if I put here my string, so it's up here my string, and if I run this now, it'll put 24 in front of it. So let's run that. So 24 my age is, which doesn't make sense, like when you speak in plain English. So what we're gonna do is change it again, my string, and then make it my age. Boom. And it will just display now correctly. Debug, start with the debugging. So my age is 24. So what basically we're doing is assigning a variable. We're defining a variable first. Oh, okay, int is number type, and I'll say that my age, and I'll say my string. So go ahead and assign this number to. So you can look at it backward. 24 is assigned to my age, and my age is assigned to string. So defining my age should be int, and we're saying my string is a string. So let's say if you my string, if you give them int, let's see what it will be, int, and let's say run. It's already showing error here. It's not going to debug. No. So we have to do it what? String. Yes. So if you debug it, zoom, There you go. So we have learned three concepts: variable, assigning a variable, and output for console applications that DOS black screen. So this will just display that. This will just do display, and this is it assigns zeros and one to this one, these variables. This is also called a placeholder. So we have to always define this, and all the C# code we start with this column. Thank you. See you on other videos.